morning. I think this is day 8 maybe, something like that. They're all blending into one. Today I'm just gonna take it easy. I'm fed up of rust, so I'm just gonna clean the engine, tidy the engine bay a bit, just for something to do really. I should be able to put the proper air filter back on. I had a gift through the post. One of the guys off one of the Allegro forums, Richard Judge, who's recently bought the famous Sid, the red Allegro that was for sale a little while ago. He saw that I'd asked for a part identification of what I was missing for the air filter and sent me a message saying he'd got one, and all he wanted for it was a beer when we met at a show one day. So fingers crossed we can get away from this virus thing and all get out and enjoy the cars. So that's nice of him. I can put that on. There's another guy who messaged me, said he got one and would swap it for the pancake filter. Matt, I think your name was. Don't panic, you can still have the filter for free, because I got this for free and what goes around comes around. So I'll message you for your address and you can have that. So yeah, we'll get on with that today. Bit of cleaning, take it easy and see how you go later. Bye. How professional am I, or even going to try and catch some of the crap on the floor? Well, professional studio lighting just for you. How about that? There you go. So yeah, I'm going to try and clean this up, have a mess about, see where we go. The weapon of choice always makes me smile because I'm infantile. Jizzer, more like jizzer, I always say. Jizz, funny. About half an hour in, starting to look a bit better. One thing I've noticed, you can see the distributor there, the bolt that actually holds it to the block is missing, and the same the other side. I don't know if you can see the other side there. No, it's a bit, but take my word for it, both the bolts that hold the distributor on are missing, so I shall have to find something that'll fit that and crack on from there. Just have a quick look underneath. It's a bit messy at the minute, we're nowhere near. It's taking some getting off there. It's been leaking for a while, but we shall get there. I had a message off a mate of mine from my Volkswagen days saying, I'm sure it's safe, but if it rolls off them ramps you're going to crush yourself. So I don't think it's going to roll anywhere. It's got 3 axle stands under the back, it's in gear and it's on the ramps, but just to please Ray I shall ratchet strap it to the ramp. There you go, Ray, that's just for you. Keep you happy. I won't crush myself so I can drink your beer at the next Volkswagen meet. So we're not going to win any concours, but certainly looking a lot better than it did first thing this morning. Carry on. Have a go underneath now. Still got a bit of cleaning up to do underneath, but it's looking a lot better than it did. Here we go then, this is now the underneath, it's as good as I'm going to get it. There you go. I suppose I best see if it starts before I change the air filter, see if I've knocked anything off. It's not on fire, I think it's just burning the jizzer off. Either that or we're electing a new pope. Right, so I'm going to remove this little pancake filter and convert back to original. Alright, so we're all back on standard. Let's see if she starts now. That's just burning the cleaner off the exhaust manifold. Done for another day. That was probably the dirtiest day I've had, believe it or not. That engine was proper grimy, but it looks a lot better now. Don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. Just decide overnight or in the morning. Enjoyable day. Doesn't seem like you've got a lot done, but that looks a load better. So join me tomorrow.